It's that time again, Halloween. This year, Disneyland did not disappoint when it came to flaunting its festive decorations. Many people have been vaccinated and are willing to come out to enjoy the holiday celebrations. A month ago, I was able to hit up the classic rides that I recommend you go to as well. Splash Mountain was the first on the list. If you want to get soaked, be sure to get in the front and hold on for dear life. Oh, and also bring a change of clothes. Yes, even underwear. If you have kids, pass by the carousel and Winnie the Pooh. When I went, there were a ton of strollers, so feel free to park it on the side and hop onto It's a Small World. It's been years since I last came, and they did lots of renovations and upgrades that I'm sure you'll love. Also, be sure to check out the Pirates of the Caribbean. This place hasn't changed at all, and there's also a restaurant that you can dine at afterwards that's right next to this ride. Next up, Jungle Cruise. This is a mellow boat ride that goes through the jungle. I highly recommend going late at night. The darkness makes the whole experience a lot creepier. If you like bumper cars, go to Tomorrowland, where you can drive at the race car track at Autotopia. Don't forget Matterhorn bobsleds either. This roller coaster ride is a pure classic. My ultimate favorite was the Haunted House Mansion Holiday, where the theme is The Nightmare Before Christmas. Be sure to check out all the new decorations in there. I was pleasantly surprised, and it's great for kids too. To end the night, watch the evening fireworks, pose for some cool Halloween photo ops, and get delicious food at the Tangaroa Terrace Tropical Bar and Grill. You'll be sure to have a great time. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching!